Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll subtitle delay. First, try the simplest fix. Pause the video for about 5 seconds, then press play again. This often rescan the subtitle instantly. Subtitle delay can happen when the video is buffering. Tap the setting icon on the video player, change the quality from 1080p to 720p or 480p. Lower quality helps the subtitles scan correctly. Next, open the subtitle setting, turn subtitle off with a few seconds, then turn them on again. This refreshes the subtitle timing. Even you can close Crunchyroll completely. On phone, swipe the app away. On PC, close the browser. Reopen Crunchyroll, play the video again and check if the subtitles are fake. You can also check for the updates. Go to the App Store or Play Store and make sure Crunchyroll is fully updated. If you are on computer, update the browser to outdated app can cause subtitle error. A slow internet connection can cause delay subtitle. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or move closer to Wi-Fi router. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.